Flynn Brothers is an integral part of the highway system here in Louisville.
You probably can't drive 50 miles without seeing something that we have built.
See that black patch right in front of us? That's Easy Street.
Flynn Brothers' impact can be seen every day in our community. The road you drive on, the streets, the concrete,
Water lines, gas lines,
earthwork, sanitary sewers,
parking lots, parking structures.
curb, asphalt, concrete pavement, storm drainage.
We pave roads and parking lots for a variety of industries.
We make the roads safer. Flynn Brothers is a full-service heavy highway contractor. So we basically do everything other than vertical construction, everything outside of a building.
Flynn Brothers Contracting services about a 5-county area here in Kentucky and southern Indiana.
What I like most about my job is the pride I take in the finished product.
It's very exciting to leave my house in the morning and I can see the traffic going over our material. It betters people's transportation needs, safety, and just the overall well-being of the road structures here in the state of Kentucky and Indiana.
And doing that in an environmentally friendly way.
Flynn Brothers sells to a diverse group of people, private, public, Clark County, Indiana.
We have a great relationship with Flynn Brothers. Tyler's easy to work with. I just give him a call or an email or a text and he gets back to me right away.
I look at him as like my friend. I go do customer visits, we chat on Facebook, we communicate just like friends would. I have several customers here in the Louisville area, Louisville Metro, Louisville Zoo. We got Spencer County Road Department, we have Shelby County Road Department, Jim Reynolds Seal Coat and Asphalt. They use our Easy Street bulk on big commercial jobs, and they use the bags for residential.
It's been amazing working with Tyler. He's always quick with communication, so I'm a person I love to ask questions, and he's always answering them.
They're using our product, which is going to, in return, keep them busy for the winter, and in return, keep Flynn Brothers busy as well.
The customer service working with Flynn Brothers and Tyler, it's really amazing, and the reason why I would say that is because it's easy for us to get the product, so all we have to do is either contact him or come to the plant directly.
Flynn Brothers gives us very good customer service, a prompt answer to your emails.
Calling, making sure that the product is working good for us, so it's been a pleasure because a lot of people do not do that.
I just give my salesman a call and let him know what we're thinking of purchasing, and he sets it all up and we go pick it up.
They always have product on stock, so we can either call him directly or just come straight to the plant and pick up the pack. We've never had a time where we've not been able to get what we need. So that makes it easy because then we can pick up the patch and then go get the job taken care of.
Easy Street and Flynn Brothers both provide me with that family feel. It's been a breath of fresh air for me to feel like I'm a part of something